Today, you're going to play a game called Fill It Up in order to practice multi-digit multiplication. Before we get started on the game, I want you to look at this problem here. 2 times 3,653. What are some ways you could solve this problem? How could you use the box method, which we've used in the past, to solve this problem? When we're using the box method, we need to decompose the multi-digit number by place value. We're first going to put 2 on this side, and we don't need to decompose 2 because it's already a single digit number. The next thing we're going to do is decompose 3,653. We're going to start with the 3,000, then the 600, then the 50, and then the 3. And since this is called the box method, we can draw our boxes to keep our work organized. Okay, now solve this multiplication problem. So I solved for 2 times 3,000 to get 6,000, and 2 times 600 to get 1,200, 2 times 50 to get 100, and 2 times 3 gives me 6. Now I have to add up all of my partial products for the final product. So 6,000 plus 1,200 plus 100 plus 6 is 7,306. This is how I could use the box method for a number that's even greater than 3-digit. This number is a 4-digit number. You're going to use the box method today for your game. Let me go over the instructions with you, and then I'll model for you one round of this game. You'll need a partner for the game, so consider a sibling, a parent, or setting up a Google Meet with a classmate. Feel free to work on it on your own if you do not have a partner. The first step is to roll a die 5 times. Then you're going to write down those numbers. You're going to create a multiplication problem with the numbers, and then you're going to solve that multiplication problem. You're going to calculate how far away that number is from our target number of 9,998. After 5 rounds, at the end of each round, you're going to add up your score. The person with the lowest score wins. Let me show you how to do it. So my first step is to roll my die 5 times. And I'm going to write down all my numbers that I roll. So I have a 2, another 2, a 5, a 1, and a 6. I don't know this answer yet because I haven't solved it using my box method yet. So now I'm going to use my multiplication problem to solve it with my box method. I'm going to write my 6 down there, and then I'm going to decompose this number by place value. So I have 2,000, and then 200, 50, and then 1. Now I'm going to solve for my partial products. Okay, so I did all of my multiplication and I added them all up together. So my final product is 13,506. You can see that there's not a whole lot of recording room, so use your math notebook to show all of your work. But I'm not quite done yet. My next step is to see how far away from this product is from my target number. And my target number is 9,999. So I want to see how far my number is from my target number. I'm going to use subtraction to solve that. So I was 3,507 away from my target number. I could check my work because I could round 9,999 to just 10,000. And then I could quickly just solve that to show that this number is accurate. Remember, estimation is a good way to check your work. Okay, so for round 1, I was 3,507 away from my target number. After 5 rounds, I'm going to add them all up, and the person with the lowest score wins. So you want to try to get as close to that number every single time because you want the lowest score. Then you'll complete the writing section of your learning plan. So one strategy I used to play this game was blank. You're going to use detail in your math notebook to justify your answer. Have fun playing this game and remember to use the box method for your 4-digit multiplication. Good luck!